How do I remove and clean the top-load washer filter on my Whirlpool machine?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about something that's a crucial part of maintaining your washing machine: cleaning the filter on your Whirlpool top-load washer. This is an easy task you can do yourself, and it can help improve your machine's performance while preventing any long-term damage.
Why do you need to clean your washer filter?
The filter in your washing machine plays a very important role. It traps all the lint, loose threads, and other small debris that comes off your clothes during a wash. Over time, these can accumulate and clog up your filter, which can impact your machine's efficiency and potentially cause damage. Regularly cleaning your washer filter can prevent this.
How often should you clean the washer filter?
As a general rule, it's a good idea to clean your washer filter every 3 to 6 months. However, this can vary depending on how often you use your machine and the type of loads you wash. If you wash a lot of fluffy items or heavily soiled clothes, you might need to clean it more frequently.
How to locate the filter in your Whirlpool machine?
Before you start, turn off and unplug your washing machine. The filter is usually located at the bottom of the machine. On many Whirlpool top-load washers, it's found near the agitator, the tall part in the center of the machine. Please consult your machine's manual to confirm the exact location, as this can vary between models.
How to remove the filter?
To remove the filter, you may need to gently pry it up with a flat screwdriver or similar tool. Be careful not to damage the filter or the surrounding parts. Once it's loose, you should be able to lift it out by hand.
How to clean the filter?
Clean the filter using a small brush and warm, soapy water. Be sure to remove all the lint and debris that has collected on it. Once you're done, rinse the filter thoroughly with clean water and let it dry completely before reinstalling it.
How to reinstall the filter?
Once your filter is clean and completely dry, you can put it back in place. It should easily fit back into the slot from which you removed it. Push it down until it clicks into place. And that's it. You now know how to clean the filter on your Whirlpool top-load washer. This simple maintenance task can greatly extend the life of your machine and ensure it always performs at its best. Thank you for watching, and remember to clean your filter regularly for the best washing results. Happy washing!